good night, and I hear pick up yourself. Thank you for joining my life. How are you doing tonight? Hope all is well. How have you been? hmm So, guys, I'm here. Sorry, I'm a little bit late. Yeah, but it's better late than never, right? So, I am here. I did I watch the battery, said the battery kind of low, but still, it was resting on my mind to still come live. Yeah, so I still let me come live, guys. Me supposed to like schedule my live when I'm coming live, but sometimes I don't schedule the live. I started to start scheduling the live and then I stopped. In a way, I kind of stopped. And but I'm gonna start schedule it back again. Yeah, so that is it. So I'm gonna share. Hi, good night. How are you? Thank you so much for joining. Big up yourself. Hey, thank you so much. But me, I go put on the glasses to see who is it. Because, hey, thank you so much for the that vibe. Yeah. Thank you so much for. I have to mute the mic when they're passing with the loud music. You can't leave it. You can't leave it open. And each time them pass, it will go add up eventually. Yeah. So thank you so much for joining. Let me see who it is before. Thank you so much. Hey. Hi Glenn, how are you? What is that? Hi King. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much. King said big up yourself. Good night, Glenn. How is your night? Laughing emoji. Oh Lord. Thank you so much. Yeah. Big up yourself. One like. Thank you so much. Yeah. I appreciate you. But big up yourself. I'm gonna give it a blue. Big up yourself. So how are you doing, Glenn? Hope all is well. How are you doing, King? Thank you so much for joining. How is your evening? Glenn said, I am doing good. You're welcome. You're welcome, Glenn, as well. Thank you so much for joining. I appreciate you guys. Me kind of start like a little bit late, but it was resting on me in a way. I was gonna just charge the phone and think, but you said let me come live. Let me come live to see what's going on first. And then maybe later on we can still come back live again. Yep. Later on, I'm going to schedule the live later on. I'm going to schedule that one for later. Hope all is well on your side, guys. Hope your day went awesome. And I hear a one, you know. But hear a one. I'm going in. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so King said, big up yourself. Yeah, that's awesome. Thank you for the emojis. Yeah, the internet connection is not working well. I think that's what it's that sign means. The internet connection. Thank you so much for coming over, guys. Happy Thursday. So I'm gonna say, look out, look out. ANI is coming at you, guys. Yeah. Just here I try put some something on the plate for the kids as well. You know? So this evening I'm just gonna chill and chit chat this evening. So persons who are coming in the comment section, guys, just know that, and I promised that I would open the box on a weekend. So persons who wants to go live with ANI can go live with ANI. Doing a go live together would be awesome. Yeah. So if you want to go live with ANI, or you want ANI to come over on your side and go live with you as well, I would do so. I would do so. Yeah. So either way it works. I'll just wait until you come. You can say what wants to take out of it, guys. Today looked like it was gonna rain, but no rainfall. The time dark up, you know. I look say, boy, rain I got dash way now. When me look, about 2 times straight, you know. No rain. One of the time it start June and then it stop. Jaw works, you know. But still, the happy still says you get the little jewels, you know. It was good. Even though it's slightly jewel. So how was your day, guys? How was your day? Hope all went well on your side. So on a Friday, I will be giving you guys a comedy skit every Friday. every Friday. A comedy skit. And you can also say in the comment section, how did I do eventually? So every Friday, not early Friday morning, you know, every Friday I'm gonna post. Everybody is gonna get the notification when I post the video. Yeah, so thanks to all the persons who have been watching as well. I appreciate you guys so much. My granny comedy skit. Yeah, so yeah, it's very interesting. Yeah, yep. I'm telling you. So that's what I'm gonna do, guys. Apart from sometimes on my live, I will be doing like some cooking videos as well, some adventures as well. When you come, don't forget what else? What? So wait, let me put it in there. I remember which piece him say man, so that's why. I remember. So when he come back, I got just to put the piece from my cooking. Yep. So I'm there in the evening here just a chill and thinking about the weekend coming in very, very shortly. You know? But I know about the weekend. I would say the weekend is coming up on us very quickly. By the time the week start, the week finish. Yeah, so it a move now. By the time the week start, it finish. Sometimes you remember you have to check by your finger. Yesterday was and the day before and you know, yeah. Cause the day them a fly so quickly, pass by so quickly. So you have to be like checking. If you know say yes, today is that day. Yeah? So guys, I just hope all is well, you know, on your side. And guys, don't forget, A and I love you all. And I would say keep pushing, keep motivating each other, you know. if you do go live, when you come over, just say, hey, and I do lives, and you know, I would want you to come over at times to support me, yeah? And I will. We will, because there will be a lot of persons on the live some of the time, and just be consistent, guys. You know, every day we get up, we have to just try and put your best foot forward. And if you feel as if you can do, you have something in mind that you feel that you can do, just go ahead and try it and see how it works out, right? Just go ahead and try it and see how it works out. Probably for the first time, it might not turn out as great, but you know, the second time around, the third time around, you know, it takes practice. Practice makes perfect, right? So, by doing, by performing and performing, eventually you will become perfect or next to perfect. So, anything you have in mind, just think about it and start. Just start. You love to make people laugh. Just come out with something and just make people laugh, because there's a lot of people all over the world who would just love to see something that would make them laugh, you know? Put a smile on their face. There are people out there who have been sad for a long while, you know? And putting a smile on someone's face is a great thing to do. It's a marvelous thing to do, guys. So, we want to see people happy and start living again. So, that's what we're here for. That's what we're here for. So that's what we're going to do. Make people laugh. Make people enjoy watching. You know? That is it. Normally, on a daily basis, whether you're posting a video or you're doing a live, sometimes it doesn't have to be about a topic, or you know, you just want to like chill and just talk to people, talk to your audience, and you know, they're commenting in the comment section, and you can also read the comments, and everybody feel good on both sides, you know? You're having a conversation, holding a vibe. Yeah, that's what it's about. Whenever we do get together, the moment should be just pure vibes, good vibes, you know? Let it be a good Jamaican vibe, a good experience. Sometimes a person might be coming to your life for the first time, and when they came over, they love what they see and hear, you know, so they continue to come over. Maybe it's about the personality, maybe it's the way the person talk, maybe it's just a vibe, maybe it's the character. Hi, how are you? Yeah. So just continue to do you. Mhm. Continue. I always say, be the best version of yourself that you can be, right? So be yourself. If you know you have a comedian side as well to you, show it. Show us the real you. Yes. Show us the real you. Let us see the real you. A lot of us have a lot of talents, and I would say some of us would think, no, I'm not do that. People are gonna say this, people are gonna say that. No, me not do that. That a foolishness. No, me not do that. No. It's comedy. It's drama. It's about being showing a next part of you yourself, what you can do, and just showing people a next side to you that they never see before. Yes. And most people would say, wow, I didn't know that you could do this. You know, that sort of thing. So, you know, just come out, guys, and if you have talent, whatever talent it is, just showcase your talent so that eventually persons can say, wow, as I just said, persons can say, wow, I didn't know that you had this side to you. It's hilarious. Yeah? So, normally they say whatever you do, try to do it to the best of your ability. So, let's do that. Let's do that. And for me, what I love to do, persons channel, I'm a small creator, but I'm telling you, when I go over to persons channel, I love to see, you know, whether it is cooking, whether it is singing, whatever talent the person have, whatever it is, if you're doing a street vlog, a road trip, whatever it is that the person does, you know, you can watch and say, wow, this person is good at what he or she does. Yeah, everybody have talent, but you know, sometimes some of us don't know, some of us don't know it as yet that we have talent, you know. You just sit down and think about it and say, you know, I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this. And you know, you won't know if it will work until you try it. So when you try it now and you see how well things going on, you know, you say, well then, you show one of your talent. Yeah. So just put the shyness aside. It's all about being shy. For most persons, it's all about being shy. Be yourself. Just put the shyness aside and tell yourself, say, why? You know, say, me want some drama on my side, you know? And just take on the road. Full force. Yeah. And you will be frightened to see how persons will gravitate, you know? Yeah. So just try it. Just try it, guys. Just try it. Just try it. Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, for fully bleach buckle? $250. How much? 250. Bleach rays. That's our gallon buckle thing. 1 gallon. Everything I raise nowadays. I say everything I raise nowadays. Wrong to bleach. Yeah man, just try it guys, just try it. For real, for real. You wanna do some drama, you just do the drama, you know? Just put it in a video and post it on the channel. If per se you're a person who has talent and everybody have talent, they just don't know it yet. They just don't know it. Even sometimes you have persons who can they're good at doing stand-up comedy, you know, those persons who do stand-up comedy and things like that. Yes, that is also good. And persons who can freestyle once you're not going out of the guidelines of YouTube, and you can put that in a short video, like maybe 15 minutes or so, And if you're good at, you know, singing, sometimes you don't have to even be good at singing, you know. Because I'm telling you, I'm gonna also try the singing. I'm gonna try the singing on air as well. So whether I sound like cockroach in my throat, I go sing. Yeah, may I tell you, I already have my headset already. Yeah, cause some of the song them I don't really know it by heart, you know. So I go just turn it down low, 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 and just sing on the live sometimes. Yeah, and I'm telling you, put on the disco light thing. Yeah, probably can give me like say one half an hour to an hour of that. Cause me I go sing, you know I go hear the music, and me I go sing. So eventually, so you know African sing because sometimes people find that fun as well, you know. A person singing and you know them no know the notes good. Them can't sing the song good when them a sing. When you touch a certain part of the notes and like you figure up high, you know it sound a way. Not saying that it's spoiling up the person's song, but it's just to how you can sing it. And your audience will also find that funny, you know, and it will make them laugh. So eventually, yeah, just try it and see how it works out, you know. My daughter listen to something on her gadget, so that's why I mute the mic. Guys, may I tell you, yeah, for real, try it and see how it works out. When you try it, just tell me. I'll come over and watch. Yes, peeps. My battery won't charge. So later on, I go come live again. I go schedule this live this time around. what am I gonna do later? So you guys can look out for that. If you're not sleeping, then you can come on over and check it out when I do go live later on again. Yep. So enough respect, guys. Thank you so much for joining. My battery the pan ready, you know. Yeah, my daughter I watch her something around here, so yeah. So thank you so much for the likes. Thank you so much for the art, the emojis that's going up on the side. Guys, you have to just have confidence in yourself. You know, block out all of the persons them where you might think say, I go say, oh, me not do this because if me do this, people are gonna think, you know, yeah. Just, just do what your mind tells you to do and work with it. Yeah. Don't tell yourself. Don't doubt yourself. That is it. Don't doubt yourself. Don't doubt yourself. Right? Don't doubt yourself. Just tell yourself you can do it. If you try something and maybe you don't get the result you want the first time you try it, just continue still. It will pick up. It will pick up, you know, and you get better and better at it as the time progresses. So, you know, yeah. So guys, you know, me no want end the live, you know, but me have to go end the live because the phone want charge. Yeah. So me go schedule the next live and me go come on by say, you know, me have to schedule the live from 6 to 6 and 12. So probably at 12 midnight me go come on. So guys, see you later on. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Remember, guys, to be the best version of yourself that you can be and believe in yourself. See you guys later on.